everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. Today I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring some unique and new ideas for you. Take the screenshot of the picture or you can also save the video. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family members. All ideas are new and unique. I hope you will like the video. If you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.